Okay, we're going to talk about the CYBEX Bravo cable system. Many of you will have seen a dual stack, a two-stack cable system in the past, but this is that plus two key unique features. One of them being what we call sometimes the flipper handles, which are essentially rotating pulleys. It enables us to put these pulleys anywhere in a 270-degree range. So essentially, wherever we want that to be, we can adjust it. And I'm going to show you a couple of examples as why that might be useful. But we can adjust the cable up and down, so to select the right height. And in this instance, we're looking for a chest press for that cable to be around shoulder height and check that it's in the same position. Okay, if you want to come in and do a couple of chest presses. Yep, so take a split start. So you might often come in here and do a stable chest press. In this case, we're able to put the line of force, namely the cable, specifically where we want it. But in most instances, a fairly wide push pattern is appropriate. Great, you want to relax. But if I want to go ahead and do the opposite of that, a pull pattern, which is going to balance those movements. So if we've just trained the chest, we're essentially training the shoulder protractors. Now we want to train the shoulder retractors. So we're going to train the opposite movement. So if you spin around, normally we'd change the weight a little bit here, but we don't need to right now. Grab the cables, take a half a pace back, and elbows are going to come up. You're going to exactly reverse the movement. So shoulders down, elbows up. That's it, elbows up, perfect. And just do a full row, nice. So the challenge here you may be able to see is that actually it's quite a wide pull pattern. So instead of that wide pull pattern, uniquely on the Bravo, we can create a narrow pull pattern by rotating these flipper handles all the way in to the narrow pull pattern. And all we do then is just adjust it up to shoulder height. So for you, probably 4. Yep, perfect. So now we're at a narrow pull pattern, exactly the same thing. Yep, step back. So elbows up, shoulders down. That's it, perfect. Great. But so now we're starting in this position with the hands closer together, around shoulder width apart. So now we're creating a bigger range of motion that's being challenged. Therefore, essentially, we're going to get better gains. We're able, in this case, uniquely, to put the line of force where we need it to get optimal challenge to those target muscles.